Well now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in this time zone. Today, we're back at it on the Subaru, man. It's been needing to be addressed for quite some time to get back on the road to recovery with this thing. Let's see what we're working with down here. All right, currently, we're prepped to pull this brace out, but then I was looking and I was seeing, hey, that's a little dirty. Let's get a new gasket on that. So we drained it, and now we'll plug her back up and, you know, start dropping her. I don't think I'll have to. Pop free enough. So now we just got to get the jack back under here and then wiggle her out, because she's gonna fall. Well, not fall right now, she won't, as far as I know. Dropped her out. I was going crazy. I was about to pull the CV axles out because I wasn't getting the play I needed, and then I realized I was just being a bitch. So we gotta get that moved over into the tin over here so I can get it cleaned off with my degreaser. Then I'll pull that cap off and replace that gasket. So let's get to it. Boom, diff cover, painted, new kit here. Gotta put these up front, install those, and install this. Boom. Resealed, painted cover diff is ready to go back into the car. We got our PERRIN kit installed. We put this bushing back in there. It was definitely a mess, so we had to use a PB blaster to help us get it in there. But furthermore, we're ready to put this diff back up in there. We did also have to get these e-brake lines and stuff situated a little bit better. They were just hanging in there. We got this all tightened down now, so the subframe's all tightened down with the lockout kit. And we got the arm supporting it. We're doing it. We're doing the damn thing. Okay, I'm gonna get one threaded on as a security bolt. so she don't go all the way fucked if I drop her. I'd like to get 2 on there, honestly, but you know the drill. Now gives me some play, and we can just kind of work it. I got these kind of dangling. This, you want it, when you do it, to line up. So I want those holes and those holes to line up. See that? Bottom, side. Side, bottom. Bottom, got it? You following me? Because I'm not.
I thought I was a dreamer. I thought I was a believer. I thought I was a dreamer. I thought I was a believer. Fuck that attitude. Get out my own gentle latitude. No eyes worrying, not I do. I must do what I have to do. Will do got the back. Will got the rags. Kid got the sweat. Clear notion would like fuck a nap. Might keep the cyber mall. I thought I bought it all. Hyper whiptable. I stopped answering your calls. As we sit atop a tower, I am gentle as a flower. You don't want to feel my power. Have you dead in half an hour? I thought I was a dreamer. I thought I was a believer. I thought I was a dreamer.
Well, boys, the diff and axles are safely back into the car. What a mess. I ended up having to pull this big bolt here free from the hub, and then from the coilover up there, those two, and swinging it out to get the clearance I needed. But the first thing I had to do was remove the axle completely so I could put the axle into the diff. So it was quite a mess, but we got it done. The bushings have been installed. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Yeah, you can see how the PERRIN bushings, they definitely feel a lot more stiff. You can just feel a lot less play. Here's the diff lockout. Also, part of that diff bushing install video, I don't know if I included this, but that is also installed up here on this guy. So that definitely reduced a lot of play and overall. My issue though that I've run into is that when you try to install this guy to this guy, it's not mating up proper. It's got plenty of space, so 6-speed clears, but our aluminum drive shaft 1-piece clears, but the only thing is I would have to tolerance a couple areas, maybe hit them up with a hammer just to avoid any damages if it were to fall. But otherwise, yeah, so basically I swapped this companion flange for, it's an R160, I'm pretty sure, companion flange, and when I swapped it I didn't think there was a difference. I thought that what they were talking about was a difference in this thickness here, but no, there's definitely a distance between the holes. So the holes are definitely a like wider spread on the bigger diff, R180 versus the R160. So unless it's just me, I'm gonna figure that out real quick. So unfortunately, when we went to install this thing, they ain't gonna mate up. These holes are definitely longer, further apart than these ones, and so instead of dealing with this and getting a new companion flange, which would be pretty cool, for like 120 bucks, I don't want to keep adding to the pot. I'm just gonna get with what works for now, and then I'll deal with this later. Because I did have the adapter at one point, and I fucked up and gave it away to somebody because I thought I didn't need it. And now I regret it. So keep your parts if you have cool parts. Don't give them away. And anyways, yeah, it's a messy around here. Got a ton of shit to do.
I know that I'm lost in the snow, but I might show how my life has been blown because I know that I'm lost in those no, but I might show how my life has been blown. I gave heat like shit on Christmas, young and looking like a new brat. First my dress, my shitty license, got that snow white like a dentist. In the cool left on the spaceship, by myself I have to face it. On and well and feeling latent, might as well just write my lament. I know that I'm lost in the snow, but I might show how my life has been blown, because I know that I'm lost.
All right, we're making some progress here, boys. Getting under here. Just got the drive shaft in. I gotta move this aside. We weren't quite ready for you, bud, but we are gonna get you there. I gotta scoot up. Okay. Creeper would be pretty smart, right? So now we just wanna snug those up, make sure those are taut. That's pretty much all I do on this one right here. It's the carrier bearing. It's crucial, but not. It's just, this is just a, you know what I mean? It flows. It's probably too much wiggle. Yeah, that's probably bad. But you know, we'll run it for now. We'll do it live.
Timbers no, but I might show how my life has been blown. Beat I gave heat like shit on Christmas, young and looking like a new brat. First my dress, my shitty license, got that snow white like a dentist. In the cool left on the spaceship, by myself I have to face it. On and well and feeling latent, might as well just write my lament.
I know that I'm lost in the snow, but I might show how my life has been blown, because
I still gotta do stuff to it, right? Something like that. Got a little bit further. Nose touch. Dang, guys. Had to make up for the lost tracks. So, since it took so long to get the diff video done, we also did the drive shaft, the sway bar, and added the exhaust here to this video. So hopefully that was a fair enough amount of content for you to swallow for now. I got still a bunch of stuff to do, obviously. I gotta work towards getting the brakes on in the rear and getting the wheels back on in the rear so I can clear up more space outside the car. I need hardware, it looks like, for my mid pipe and downpipe area for the NVIDIA exhaust. I totally forgot about that. And then I'm gonna need to start putting the motor back together the rest of the way. So she's all prepped and ready to drop in. And so yeah, we're out here getting moist again. It's starting to get warm out again. So I like to really work on my cars when it's 100 degrees out. So bear with me through the dampness. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because it's gonna be a good time once this car is done. But yeah, just got to tighten a couple things up here and there. I think I'm pretty solid though, sitting in the rear end. Finally starting to get stuff buttoned down the way it should be on this car. In terms of content this weekend, because I'm probably going to edit this today after I got to go to the dentist today, so it's going to suck. And I wanted to get more of a body full, more meaty video out for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Something meaty. So now that we got that all installed, I'm feeling confident. I'm gonna drop that while I'm not feeling too good today after the dentist. And then Saturday, unfortunately, the Civic's brakes have been having a rough time, and I'm finally realizing some things, and some things are popping up. We won't talk too much about it, but I've got some Civic content coming this weekend as well. So it's gonna be a good time. Got a lot to do this weekend, and I'm still already backed up, obviously. We know that as this car continues to sit. But at least we got some progress to work with. And this way we can keep moving forward. If you haven't already, subscribe right now, man. I need that subscribe button to be smashed. Keeps the channel going. Thanks for watching.